Welcome to our new webinar, Vantage Technology webinar. Today our topic is Agentforce, stream your digital workforce management. So this is today topic is this is another Agentforce webinar. So we can start. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rajneesh Kumar. I am the CTO of Vantage Technology. I have more than 25-year experience in AI integration and data. So let me share my screen first. Yes. So if you can contact me through the LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. And this is my Twitter profile. So you can connect me any of those two platforms. You can connect me. You can send me any question or any query related with the data, AI, or Agentforce. So I'm happy to help you out. So let's jump on our today topic is. So let me introduce first my company. My company is more than 10-year-old in AI service consulting firm, leading mainly on model-centric. From the models, we are moving from model-centric to the data-centric AI development to more AI practical. We can maximize your ROI on the data, cloud, and AI investment. We are delivering AI innovation faster, support with the latest trend. We offer comprehensive solution and services to align with organizational business requirement. And you can contact us with this is our email is. So now let's jump on the today topic is what is digital, how you can streamline your digital forces. So currently how workforce is working, we are overwhelmed with this point is so many risks is there, less productivity, and there is a fixed capacity is there. So that's how our workforce is working on. And that is basically reducing the 41% time to doing the all kind of mundane work and everything is. What customer expecting is from this deliverable is zero hold queue. It means you are not waiting for another your work is done, then you can start another one. So that is how thing is. Your personal experience and also conversation is more conducive and then more meaningful, so that you can move forward. You can turn lead into the opportunity, and opportunity the account is. So that's our customer want from our workforces. So what is then what if work has no limit is? So now another question is how we can enable there is no limit for our workforces, because if you go with any of your workforce, they have some limitation. Somebody know the certain skill, somebody know certain language, somebody work on the certain time frame. So every workforce has a certain limit, so that you are working on your business side is to manage efficiently, but sometimes it will not work, sometimes it is not working. So how you can manage those where workforce has no limit is. So now Salesforce introduced the Agentforce. So what is Agentforce? Agentforce basically it's not replacing your existing workforces. Basically, it is allowing you to work more productive work for your organization, any of your workforces. So it is working as a human and agent work together, your AI agent, so that they can success together is. So couple of things integrated, couple of things is point is of how you can integrate. It is easy to integrate, easy to deploy, customizable, trust, scale, and open ecosystem is. That's a feature it is providing the Agentforce. So it is giving you more empowerment to the existing workforces. They can work more constructive work, not daily mundane work is for your workforce. So now agent, in AI agent, the new software paradigm is What is this one? So bridging between the LLM and business use case. So if you know like how current environment you are working with, you are first looking to the use case, and then you are assigning to some of the workforce on those use cases. Now LLM is coming in picture, and then it is basically summarize some of your work so that you can focus only you need to be focused, not like any noise on those work is. Similarly, in the software area, you are very working on the very specific part of the action so that you can deliver quickly. Same thing on action under functional area is any specific topic you are working that is more relevant to your customer. That is also it is summarizing to your agent is agent orchestrated action using LLM. So that's how it is creating a process end to end so that it will more meaningful to your customer is. It is also working on your data, grounded data, which is available for you and then for your organization so that you can extract the more useful information from those data. And also, it is also working on the security side, which you enable through the guardrail secured by the Einstein trust layer. So what is then agent is? They don't just take, just don't assist, they take action. So what kind of action? Initially, when we start this journey, it was as a chatbot. Chatbot is very dumb action kind of thing. Only you define certain action, fixed rule, repetitive task you are defining, and then you're working on that one. Then next phase, it came with the Copilot. Copilot is coming to the little smart, but not that smart is like it is working certain workflow. It is looking through the workflow, and then based on that one, it is doing the action. Now the new paradigm, new thing it came in the market, current in world is agents. Agent is basically autonomous. It is intelligent, proactive, and trusted. And I'm going to explain how it is more proactive, more trusted, and more autonomous and intelligent is. I will go through that one. So now, what is Agentforce is? So Agentforce build a customized autonomous agent, so scale your workforce. So basically, it deploy agent fast with template because you know what is your workflow and what is the work processes, and then you can temporalize those things so that you can work on that particular thing. Suppose that you are working on the sales, some of your team is working on the sales, and then there's certain work processes there. You can define that work force, and then you can work on that work. You can templarize those things. Same thing is marketing, commerce, and more. Same thing is in the agent, you can configure with low code tool. It is easy to build and deploy. And proactive help every customer and employee. It is basically helping if you need any immediate help or anything. It is more conversational. It is using a conversational AI, and it is helping to your customers. So that is Agentforce. Now this is AI architect, Agentforce architect. If you look for very bottom is related with the data lake. It could be any data lake. You can use the Salesforce data lake or Databricks or Snowflake, any of those, or you can use all of them. And this layer is, and then you are building your model on middle of that one is where the Einstein, whether this Agentforce is. You can bring your own AI agent too over here, and then you are defining this trust layer, which is guardrail, is how you can secure your sensitive data. That is a very important part for your AI journeys. And then you are enabling those couple of tools within Agentforce, prompt builder, agent builder, model builder, RAG, monitoring and governance. And then this is enabling for your customer or your employee, this Agentforce. And now you can work on your different use cases, whether you're on the sales side, whether you are service side, whether you're commerce side. It is for your is best friend for your side is. So now, what is the attribute of the Agentforce is? There is a 5 main attribute. You have to be very focused on those things, and this is a building block of the agent forces. First is role. You are defining the role, which job you want to get it done through your agent. You can assign any of your role based on the existing employee or based on the existing user, and then they will act as a like that. Same thing is data. So data is you are extracting those data, and the agent force know that what data you want to enable for your customer or employee, and then that is your knowledge basis, whether it is reading from the unstructured data or whether it is reading from the structured data. It is all is part of the data. Action. Now once data is there, now you are defining the what action you want to get it done, what capability you want to enable through the agent forces, that you can define. And now this is very important about the security part is guardrail is you don't want to enable your any of sensitive data like SSN number or your health, if you are working on the health cloud, any of health data, patient health data. And now last and not but least is channel where they want to work on. You want to work on the sales side, service side, or you want to work on the client side. So that all is defining. This is the 5 attribute of the any of AI agent. So now here is I just listed down to some of the difference between the bots, because people generally get confused. Is AI agent is another bot is, but it's not true. Bot is completely different compared to the autonomous agent. Bot is more kind of like the person who know nothing, just few mundane work is. That is bot is. It can do it repetitive work, reactive, scripted, and provide information. It provides the information, that is very important part. But the thing is, whatever you are providing the force, there is no intelligence behind this providing information. That is the important part is. So about the bot is this difference. But if you jump on the AI agent is more agent, is more smart, more intelligent, is dynamic, proactive, and more conversational. It's look like whenever you enable, it look like you are working on the real person, not like any bot kind of things. And also it take the action based on the information you are providing to your AI agent is. So it's intelligent. So that is a very important part. The difference between generally people get confused like what is a bot and how it is different from the autonomous agent is, AI agent is. That is the biggest difference is intelligent part is. It's very intelligent. So here is, I just listed out again the different bullet point. If you look for in bot side is 100 of rigid dialogue, intent model, extensively a trained data set, knowledge based answer. So whatever knowledge you're providing, that's only it will not retrain or intelligently it give the answer is. But if you look for the what is autonomous agent is a natural language instruction. So it can work on any language or natural language, AI reasoning engine. You are defining the reasoning within your LLM model. Minimum training required because it auto-trained. They can auto-train based on your input, data input or data interaction. And then generative AI LLM plus company data. They work on the company data and then generative conversational AI or LLM, whatever the model you are enabling is. That is, they are enabling. So how agent plan and take action is. So just I animated thing is trigger is happening over here. If you go to back and this is how it is coming, and basically is trigger is happening. This trigger happen from any of your data, whether it's coming Slack, chat, voice, CRM, telemetry, web, or data cloud. If you are a third party, any API, and then based on that one, it's feeding into the Agentforce, send the context to LLM, clarify the intent, select a specific topic and instruction, select the chain and action, gather input to execute, and then complete task is. And here is employees interacting, and this is a loop like they are auto-trained themselves and then providing to those information is. So this is a way generally Agentforce work within their ecosystem is. and is very more meaningful to your organization. That's how it work on. It's not like any random data. It is and also it is auto trained. So here is I listed out a couple of Agentforce services and a couple of agent which you can enable through the Agentforces, and it will help your digital workflow. So you trust autonomous agent for every service experience. If you are in a service industry or if you are working on any of your for your customer for their service, you can enable this service agent. This is very helpful for the particular for the any travel or any airlines, those kind of industry. It is very helpful whenever every time they're interacting with their customer and then they are looking for some specific information, they can enable this agent for service agent, and they can engage their customer 24/7 with the natural response, look like they are talking to the real person. Any data they want to enable to there, it is available for that. They no need to look into the and there is no time lag because all data is real time, and then you can pull those data. If it is something is you want to enable to your historical data, that is also you can enable over here. And also you can set up the quickly because some of the pre-built template is there, and you can define the clear guardrail so that very less chance, very less likely to be get expose unwanted data. That is very and very less human error chances for the enabling those any of those services entities. Same thing is for the agent for sales. If you are working on the sales side, that is also it will enable for your sales side, maximize the pipeline by runtime inbound lead, and sales coach give every rep to dedicated coach to make them your best is. So for your customer, whenever you are enabling, it look like their own representative they're working on, and then they helping out any of the sales initiative or sales item is. So that is how sales work on the Agentforce side. Now this is for retail client or any of those area who are working on the. So you can enable multiple agent over here. Like a merchant agent, personal shopper agent, a buyer agent. So this you can enable seamlessly hand off with to the human is buy and so merchant agent is basically build and operate common task and proactive act data insight for the merchants. Same as a personal shopper agent is serve as a digital consider to guide such provide and personalized recommendation. And same thing is buyer agent is provide an elevated buying experience. So now I can go through the how agent for evolve from the Copilot is from before Dreamforce, Salesforce enable as a Copilot, and then it evolved from Copilot to the Agentforces. These are the things is I listed out over here. Out of the box customizable agent. You can it is enabled from here. Then autonomous. You can define the topic and scope instruction. And it is working on the reasoning engineering, dynamic info retrieval, RAG, which is very important. Any unstructured like a PDF file or any image file or any of those, it will retrieve those information and it will enable for you. And more standard action. Any of your standard action, it is also get it done through the Agentforces. So this is how it evolved from Copilot to the Agentforces. So here, let's deep dive little bit into the Agentforces. So these are the three basic building block, fundamental building block for the Agentforces. First is topic. So here in this topic, you are defining what kind of action get it done from which place. Suppose that some of the action is get done through your API. Some of the action get it done through the Sales Cloud. Some of the action get it done through the some legacy system. So there you define the topic and you can enable those information through the topic is. Now second part is instruction. So instruction, basically you are providing the template kind of thing. What if any request is coming, always offer the look understand using either an order number or email. You're defining some of the instruction. Based on those instruction, your agent will act. It will look to the topic where it is reside on. Suppose that if some of the information reside on API side, it is going to call to the MuleSoft API and then pull that information for you and then providing the based on the instruction. The same thing is if it is something is a Sales Cloud or any of those legacy systems, same thing, you can provide the instruction and it is going to the topic and pull that information for you. Now action, last but not least, is about the building block is action. This is very important, is like all data is there. Now you have to get the action, get it done. So that is where action come in picture. Look up the order status, generate return label, answer question, and knowledge. So knowledge is you can pull. Also, this knowledge you can upload into your agent as a knowledge base, as a document, or you can call to the database. So this is action you can define over here. So it come from the action, the information coming from the topic, instruction it is pulling, and then it's action based on your data. It is getting those action, get it done. Those action is. So this is a basic fundamental building block for the Agentforce. Here is a couple of things in Agentforce. It define. So here is a prompt grounded. So it's a prompt builder. Three studio they're providing. So whenever as soon as you are enabled as an Agentforce in your box, you have to enable this feature into your Salesforce boxes orgs. So prompt builder, agent builder, and model builder. Prompt, you are defining the prompt and how you can request for the prompt. Agent is how you're defining the topic. You can define over here just what I explained. And model, you are building on which model you are working on, or bring your own model. So that is where you define the build model, bring your own model. That's you define the all LLM model is over here. So these are the three basic studio feature in the Agentforce. Now, here how you can build your own, make your own agent with the agent builder is prompt grounded in the enterprise. Prompt, you defining the prompt. If you look for this and then flow, the data can come from the flow or MuleSoft, connect to any system, or Apex or JavaScript code custom is. That's where you can pull data into the topic, and then based on your instruction, they will act. Based on those instruction, they will act on those data and provide those information. So here is a couple of things. What method can customer use? Create a custom action. Here is you can define prompt template, which I just explained. Like your usable prompt written in natural language. You just type it, and if you want to pass a parameter, there's a blue mark over here. You can pass a parameter, what parameter you want, and then based on that one, it will act like a simple language. You define how everything is. Same thing is in flow. If you are Salesforce background, you already know the flow. Only thing you need to call this flow and low code automation tool. Just is a very user friendly. You no need to know any code, and then you drag and drop, and then you can build your flow based on your requirement, and then you can enable that one. Same thing in Apex code. Apex code is you need to know a little bit about the Java, or if you are already in Salesforce ecosystem, you already know this Apex code is. It is a Salesforce programming language. You just define the few classes over there, Apex class, and then you can call within your action, and then it will get it done. And then external services. Suppose that you're working on the API side, you can enable to the external services, and couple of connector is there. You can use those connector and pull those data from through the external services. So that is how you can enable. Now, as a Vantage technology team, we are introducing our agent enabler. We will help you out if you are working on any of your Agentforce. You are not understanding how you can enable, how you can make your more customer friendly or user friendly. We will help you out. You can contact us anytime. We provide the implement agent for quickly with the expert bar your side is like we have expertise, so we can help you out. Build an agent tailored to your need, and also bring your agent and team together to scale productivity. We can also work on your how you can maximize your ROI and Agentforce. So return of investment, maximize your return on investment is also reduce the 50% reduction project risk is. We can help you out to reduce your 50% project risk. So that's we are offering. We can enable to your organization. We are happy to help you out. Now I'm jumping little bit demo. If you are very new in the Agentforce, I will show you how you can enable in your box. This we are running out of the time. We have few minutes only left, but I will show quickly how you can enable few things, and then you can work on that part. So let's jump on the. Let me show my screen. So if you look for, this is our org, Salesforce org. I just enable one then, and this is a very new, I haven't enabled anything, just I want to show you in front of you how you can enable over here is. So if you are there, go to the setup. So if you go to setup, click over here, and then search for the Einstein. So if you search for the Einstein, it will come this one. So just see this is and at this place is very slow, so that's why I bring it over here. So you can go over here and then you can enable from here. So search for this Einstein setup in this. So you can click this one and turn on this one. That is the first thing you can do it to enable your Agentforce within your organization is. Now, second part is this will enable for you all any of those deploy prompt templates active. I enable this one, and now you can go to the now search for the agent. It's little slow. Okay, so you can search. Maybe it will take some time to since so this is not coming. It look like I need to refresh it. So here need to go over here, and now you need to enable this one. So this is a first step. You see, like as soon as you enable, it will come this Agentforce is. I'd like to go a couple of things over here. Open in Builder. And now what I was talking about, where you define the different topic and everything, you can define the topic, go to over here and add new topic based on your action, and you define over, give the instruction, and then you enable over here. So this is, you can build your agent This is agent builder is. This is how it will look like. Once you enable, then you can activate. If you are activating, it means it will not process your request based on this topic is. That's how you're defining this topic is. So another thing is, so we are almost end of the time. Let me go back over here. So this is prompt builder is. I show to you. You can create your new prompt template over here. You define. Suppose that where it's coming from. You can define your knowledge answer. You can upload your file. So this is where you can define the template kind of thing and define the and then automatically and then go to next. And now you can define your template is, and you define your model, which model you want to work on or bring your own model is. If you look for the drop down, it is providing all kind of model is available for you to enable within your organization. So this is a standard model, custom model, bring your own model, what just explain you. So here you define and then you can bring your own model in, include over here is. So this is what you can define over here is. So this is how this basic feature you can enable. I will go more deep into the next session since like we are out of the time is, but yeah. So this is our end of this webinar is. Feel free to ask any question if you have. Send me connect me on LinkedIn or connect me on the Twitter. I'm happy to help you out. Let me show you. So this is a demo and we are in. So you can connect me on LinkedIn. You can send us an email, contact us, info@vantage.com. You can connect us. And we are happy to help you out any of those your initiatives. So thanks for joining.